Hi, my name is Shawn Nielsen, and I'm from the University of California at Irvine, and I presented my research at the 24th APS Annual Convention in Chicago, Illinois. The title of my project was Hormonal Contraception is Associated with Altered Stress Responses and Emotional Memory. And what our lab looks at is sex and stress hormone influences on emotional memory. What I wanted to investigate was the influence of hormonal contraception on both cortisol responses, norepinephrine responses, and memory for emotional material. What I found was that women on hormonal contraceptives actually have reduced noradrenergic responses to an emotionally arousing slideshow when compared to naturally cycling women. And this actually appeared to be driven by their baseline levels of stress hormones when they came into the lab, which we found to be very interesting. In addition, we found that women on hormonal contraceptives had reduced cortisol responses to the cold pressure stressor when compared to naturally cycling women. And again, these were driven by their baseline stress responses when they came into the lab. When we looked at the influence of contraceptive status and noradrenergic response and cortisol response on emotional memory, we actually found that contraceptive users that had a noradrenergic response at encoding but no cortisol response had far and away the highest memory for negative emotionally arousing images, which we found to be extremely interesting. What we think this means is that when doing stress research, it's really important to account for contraceptive status. And in addition, we think it's going to be really important to further explore the effects of contraceptives on stress hormone influences on emotional memory, especially in comparison to naturally cycling women and men.